remember him. He spoke of his time in your service as his very finest.
Our greatest officers explore. It is my great honor.
This is a counter-terrorism issue.
And you, Jonathan Pine.
Who's watching this?
I have a bad record. There are people I get close to.
What do you need to get some basic empathy back?
Every night I pray for your death.
Effects?
So what do you do?
You'll come apart and you go close your eyes with
Getting worse. I'm forgetting things. Talking to the wrong people.
Hello and welcome to CineSelect. January 2026 is not a slow launch. From futuristic science fiction and epic fantasy to violent crime and gruesome thrillers, Netflix, Prime Video, HBO Max and others are releasing their biggest fresh offering and eagerly anticipated return in consecutive weeks. So, if you are trying to decide what to watch this month, these are the series worth your time. Number 10. Hijack Season 2.
Hey, Hijack
Season 2 starts on Apple TV Plus on January 14, 2026 with the first 2 episodes and will be released weekly until late February. Idris Elba reprised his role as mediator Sam Nelson in the suspenseful real-time thriller. This time dealing with a lethal situation on a hostage-taken Berlin subway train, with countless travelers stranded and officials rushing above ground. Sam faces hard decision where one incorrect move might spell disaster. The 8-episode season will maintain the high-stake real-time thriller format that George K. and Jim Field Smith developed. Number 9. Wonder Man. It is a new Marvel series on Disney Plus that combines superhero action and Hollywood humor and will premiere on January 27, 2026. The narrative centers on Simon Williams, a falling Los Angeles actor who believes he has an opportunity to become famous when renowned filmmaker Wong Kar-wai announces an adaptation of the iconic Wonder Man movie. The story develops as he manages friendship, desire and personal development in the competitive entertainment business. The show, spanning 8 episodes, presents a humorous and perspective view of superhero culture, exploring topics like franchise fatigue and the Hollywood industry, all while maintaining a solid foundation in character-driven storytelling. Number 8. Memory of a Killer. It is an intense crime thriller series that will premiere on Fox on January 26. The drama centers on skilled hitman Angelo Doyle, who develops Alzheimer's and must balance his violent persona with his responsibilities as a husband and a father, while attempting to maintain his dark side and guard his family. Inspired by the book and the 2003 Belgian film Deck Alzheimer, the series combines thrilling suspense aspect with human drama during its length, with Angelo's declining memory serving as both an internal struggle and an immediate threat in a volatile world. Number 7. Star Trek Starfleet Academy. It is the newest live-action entry to the Star Trek series and will premiere on Paramount Plus on January 5, 2026 with 2 episodes at launch and weekly episodes throughout the episode's first season. The series takes place in the 32nd century following the conclusion of Star Trek Discovery and revolves around the adventures of a fresh group of Starfleet cadets as they prepare for careers as officers dealing with challenging academics, complicated friendship conflicts, first romance and new danger to both the Academy and the Federation. Co-showrunners Alex Kurtzman combine young adult drama and traditional Star Trek adventures in an intergalactic school story, seeking to broaden the franchise universe on a small screen format. Number 6. A Thousand Blues. Season 2 takes audiences back to the grim world of East London in the 1880s, where disputes between the corrupt gangs and brutal boxing clash as Mary Kerr, Sugar Dudson, and Hezekiah Maisco negotiate more complex interpersonal conflicts and changing balance of power within their deadly world. Created by Stephen Knight, the drama continues to combine historical backdrop with engaging character narratives focused on trust, treachery, survival, and forgiveness as old friendships undergo strain and new challenges arise. The season promises intense psychological stakes and physical conflicts that expand on the effect of the first season. The second season will be available for international streaming on Hulu and Disney Plus starting January 9, 2026. Number 5. His and Hers. It is a complex psychological thriller limited series that follows Anna, an old reporter who is drawn back to life when she becomes fixated with a grisly killing in her quiet small town of Dalinga, Georgia. An incident that puts her in a stressful, uncomfortable relationship with Detective Jack Harper, a cop who believes she knows more than she says. It is a 6-episode drama based on Alice Fanny's best-selling novel and stars Tessa Thompson as Anna and John Frenthal as Jack. His and Hers released on Netflix on January 8, 2026 and combines mystery and psychic richness in each episode and offers plenty of twist, anticipation, and character-centered drama. Number 4. A Knight of the Seven Kingdoms. The drama broadens the Game of Thrones universe with a character-driven prequel story based on George R.R. Martin's Tales of Duncan Egg books. The drama centers on the unusual pair of Sir Duncan the Tall, a modest hedge knight, and his young companion Egg as they traverse Westeros at a period when dragons have vanished from history and the Targaryens still hold the Iron Throne. The series blends fantasy, drama, and adventure, providing a refreshing break from House of the Dragon's intense political maneuvering while still featuring intriguing narratives, interesting character, and complex world building. George R.R. Martin and Ira Parker co-created the season, which debuts on HBO Max on January 18, 2026. Number 3. The Night Manager. Number 3. The Night Manager. Season 2 of the popular spy thriller returns with Tom Hudson returning to his Golden Globe-winning role as Jonathan Pine, now working an undercover M16 investigation assignment. However, a risky new plan involving an influential weapons trader and global mystery quickly upends his plans. The 6-episode season takes intelligence from London to Colombia with Pie navigating lies, treachery, and intense political drama. On January 11, 2026, the season will debut on Prime Video, allowing fans all over the world to dive into this next chapter. The first 3 episodes will be released together and new episode will be released every week until the finale. Number 2. The Beauty. It is a genre-bending sci-fi body horror thriller from legendary television creator Ryan Murphy, based on the comic book series by Jeremy Hahn and Jason A. The series unfolds in an era driven by flawless appearances and focus on police officer Cooper Marshall and Jordan Bennett as they discover a frightening disaster caused by a virus that offers amazing beauty but eventually results in fatal outcomes, dragging them into a massive conspiracy featuring a wealthy biotech businessman and a cruel lawbreaker. The series stars Jeremy Pop, Bella Hadid, and notable guest stars and combines horror, thriller, and social criticism with devastating human drama. It will premiere on FX and Hulu in the US and Disney Plus internationally on January 21st, 2026. Number 1. The Pit. Season 2 takes viewers back to the hectic emergency room of the Pittsburgh Trauma Medical Center, where Dr. Michael once more guides a group of medical professionals and nurses within another demanding 15-hour shift that spills over the 4th of July weekend and combines personal and professional difficulties with serial medical drama. The Emmy-winning series, appreciated for its real-time character-focused drama and outstanding first-season characterization of frontline medical professional features fresh arrivals like Spidey Murphy as Dr. Baron A.I. Hashmi in addition to returning favorites. While past disagreements and new crises challenge the team's determination, the second season will begin on HBO Max on January 8, 2026, with new episodes arriving weekly.